Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling and invoking the emoji picker on your MacBook Air. This is the first actionable step. Press Ctrl+, Command+Space to open the emoji viewer, because Roblox on Mac OS reads standard text input from that panel. Once the viewer appears, type to filter emojis or click any to copy. Make sure to test in Roblox's chat or a text field to confirm emojis render. If the keyboard shortcut doesn't work, check System Settings Right Arrow Keyboard Right Arrow Shortcuts and enable the emoji picker. With the emoji viewer open, click into Roblox's chat or any text input so the emoji inserts where you want it. Type a keyword like smile or heart to filter results, because that speeds selection when you need one fast. Once you click an emoji, it pastes immediately. For longer message composition, paste multiple emojis and text. If you're adding emoji to developer scripts or GUI, confirm Roblox's Lua strings support the characters by testing in a local place before finish by verifying that the emoji displays the same way for other players. Differences occur because devices and fonts render some glyphs differently. If you see empty boxes or blocks instead of emoji, make sure the text field uses a font with Unicode emoji support, or paste from the Character Viewer app as a fallback. Once done, test again in-game and in chat. If problems persist, restart Roblox and Mac OS, because a refreshed font cache often resolves rendering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.